Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be sharing my complete review of QuickBooks, designed especially for beginners who want to know if it's the right accounting software for them. Whether you're running a small business, freelancing, managing a side hustle, or just trying to keep your personal finances more organized, this review will give you an honest look at the pros, the cons, and what you can expect when you start using QuickBooks. QuickBooks has been around for decades and is often considered the industry standard when it comes to small business accounting. It's trusted by millions of users worldwide, from solo entrepreneurs to mid-sized companies. The main reason for its popularity is that it combines powerful features with a user-friendly interface that's approachable even for people who have never touched accounting software before. There are two main versions you should know about: QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. QuickBooks Online is cloud-based, meaning you can access it from anywhere using a computer, tablet, or even your phone, as long as you have internet access. QuickBooks Desktop is a more traditional, locally installed program. Most beginners choose QuickBooks Online because it's simpler to set up, automatically updated, and allows you to work on the go. Let's start with the dashboard, the first thing you'll see when you log in. QuickBooks greets you with an overview of your finances, total income, expenses, profit and loss, and outstanding invoices. It's clean, well-organized, and color-coded, which makes it easier to spot trends. For example, you might notice your expenses have been higher for the past 2 months, prompting you to dig deeper and make adjustments. This kind of at-a-glance insight can be incredibly helpful for keeping your business on track. One of QuickBooks' biggest strengths is automation. You can connect your bank accounts and credit cards so that every transaction automatically appears in QuickBooks. The software will even try to categorize those transactions for you, for example, recognizing a payment to a gas station as a travel expense. You can review and approve these categorizations, which saves hours compared to manually entering each transaction. Now let's talk about invoicing, because for many small business owners, that's one of the most important features. QuickBooks lets you create professional invoices with your logo, custom colors, and personalized messages. You can email them directly to clients and even set up recurring invoices for repeat customers. When a client pays, QuickBooks records the payment automatically, keeping your books updated without extra work. You can also enable online payments so clients can pay directly from the invoice using a credit card or bank transfer, which often speeds up how quickly you get paid. Another handy feature is expense tracking. You can upload receipts directly into QuickBooks by snapping a photo with your phone. The software reads the details and attaches the receipt to the correct transaction. This is a lifesaver at tax time because everything is already organized and ready for your accountant. Speaking of taxes, QuickBooks can be a huge stress reliever when tax season rolls around. Throughout the year, it tracks your income and expenses, helping you see your estimated tax obligations. If you're self-employed, it can calculate quarterly tax estimates. And if you work with a CPA, you can simply give them access to your QuickBooks account so they can pull the reports they need. QuickBooks is also strong when it comes to reporting. With just a few clicks, you can generate detailed reports like profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These reports aren't just for your accountant. They can help you make smarter business decisions. For example, a cash flow report can show you whether you might face a shortage in the next few months, allowing you to plan ahead. Now let's discuss pricing. QuickBooks offers several plans, starting with basic options for freelancers and moving up to more advanced plans with features like inventory tracking, bill management, and payroll. The cost is a little higher than some other accounting tools, and if you add payroll services, it can get pricey. However, you're paying for a polished, reliable system with strong customer support and an ecosystem of integrations with hundreds of other apps. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning the downsides. The first is the learning curve. Even though QuickBooks is beginner-friendly compared to traditional accounting systems, there's still a lot to take in, especially in the first few weeks. You might spend some time watching tutorials or asking for help. Another drawback is the price. If you're just starting out and only need very basic expense tracking, there are cheaper options. Finally, while QuickBooks Online is great for most people, it does require a stable internet connection to work smoothly. So, who is QuickBooks best for? I'd say it's ideal for small business owners, freelancers, and anyone who wants a robust, all-in-one accounting solution that can grow with their business. It's especially helpful if you plan to work with an accountant or bookkeeper, since QuickBooks is widely used in the accounting industry. QuickBooks is like having a part-time financial assistant, one that works 24/7, keeps your records accurate, and helps you make better decisions with your money. It's not the cheapest option out there, and you'll need a bit of patience to get comfortable with it, but the time and stress it can save you are worth it. I hope this gives you a clear picture of what it can do and whether it's right for you. If you found this review helpful, subscribe to the channel for more videos.